Hello KSET students, welcome to Map My Tutor. My name is Dr. Sugandha and I am your chemistry tutor. In this session, I am going to give you a simple practical roadmap to score 55 plus marks out of 60 in KSET chemistry examination. We will start with the reality check. What toppers do and what others do. See, NCRT is the most important thing. Remember students, KSET chemistry is not a difficult exam. In this, you need not to go in details of each and every concept just like JEE mains and NEET. KSET is just studying smartly NCRT. Okay, so you can't skip NCRT. Maximum questions are coming directly from the NCRT book. They will just pick a line and ask you a question. Okay, so please don't skip NCRT, it is very important. Next is to practice 100 plus MCQ daily. For that, you can also follow NCRT fingertip book. There, each and every chapter contains around 200 MCQ. Just solve those questions chapter wise and the problem is solved. You can score very good marks in KSET. Okay, students? And next and the most important is week-wise target should be there. For achieving any goal and for clearing any exam, there must be a planning. If you go through a plan, you will definitely score good marks. And previous year papers are just like a gold mine for you. Please solve minimum 10-year PYQs for KSET and all of it will be settled. Okay? And what you should not do, you should not study randomly. You should not cover J level depth, and ignoring class 11 will lose you 33% of your marks. So please don't ignore class 11th as well. And studying long hours but solving zero MCQ is again a problem. So divide your time accordingly. Study for some time and then solve MCQ. It is equally important. Okay, students? Before moving to the roadmap, let's understand the exam pattern. There will be 60 questions of chemistry, 60 marks and 80 minutes. So for each and every question, you will get around 1 minute. Okay? And these are the high priority topics. From class 12th, you need to understand that in inorganic chemistry, you can't skip coordination, DNF block. It is very important for physical, chemical kinetics, electrochemistry. For organic, it is haloalkanes and haloarenes and all the carbonyl containing compounds. Please don't skip these chapters. These are highly weighted chapters. Class 12th, you have just passed or you have just given the exam. So it is fresh in your mind. So please solve MCQ now only. Okay, students? So these are the list of the high priority, medium priority and essential topics. So stop the video, click the picture and keep it with you and start now. Let's understand the pattern of 2025. See, from class 12th, almost from all the chapters, 4 questions are coming. So you can't miss class 12th. Each and every chapter is really important. So thoroughly go through it. Okay, students? Class 11th also is important, but if you want to skip at the last moment 1 or 2 chapter, then please skip these last least priority topics and go through these topics. Okay? Now, let's divide our roadmap in 3 parts, 3 phases. First phase is the foundation building phase. It is a base of your preparation. So you can't miss this phase. Okay, students, in this you need to cover your theory part first. And for that, you go through your NCRT. 70% of the paper, I'm saying 70 to 75% of the paper will be from NCRT only. Okay, direct linings are coming in. Inorganic chemistry, you will see each and every question is from NCRT. So by heart, learn NCRT, revise n number of times. Okay, students? And make a concise note for each and every chapter. Make 1-page note and keep it with you. It will be very helpful for you at the last 10 days. Okay? And focus on the concept. Just not memorize it. Focus on understanding it. You need to practice maximum MCQ as much as you can and please follow NCRT fingertip and the formula sheet for that. It is very beneficial for all of you. I am saying again and again, just focus on NCRT. Don't go here and there. Don't study from anywhere. Just focus on NCERT for KSET. Last important thing in this phase is to revision. So each and every day you need to revise whatever you have studied in the first half of your day. And try Femin technique. That is, you need to revise your concepts at the alternate days. So you will not forget the concepts. Okay, students? Here is the essential study resources. Why main is primary books. You need to focus on the NCERT, PYQs and KSET specific 10-year papers. Okay, students? And if you want to go detail in any topic, then please follow these reference materials or the online resources. Phase 2 is the revision phase. Along with revision, you have to practice mock test. In a week, take 2 full mock tests and revise them and try to find your problems and write it down on a separate paper and try to solve and focus on those topics more. Okay? That is advanced problem solving, numericals as well, and the quick revision should be there and mock test. Okay, students? Last but the most important phase, revise, revise and revise. That is the only key for KSET. You have to revise NCERT, PYQs and MCQs. That's it. You will definitely score 50 plus marks out of 60 in KSET chemistry. I am very sure about it. Okay? So please find out your problems, solve your MCQs in a fixed period of time so that you can analyze your time management as well and your error analysis as well. Okay? This will build your confidence and will make you stay calm and focused mindset. This is all from my side. If you want me to give you detailed video on any particular topic, then please write it down in the comment section. I am there for you to help you and to guide you in KSET 2026. Thank you.